Rahim, June 11, 12 variant question number 2. I'm going to start now. In first part is saying find terms in which in x square, x cube involved in this expansion. So let's start. So I'm going to start now. X square, x cube expansion. So let's start. First of all, 6C0, 6 come from here and 2 brackets. Then I 6C1 and 2 brackets. Then 6C2, 2 brackets, and then 6C3 and 2 brackets. I know that x cube will come with a 3. Okay, you can ask one question, sir, it is compulsory to show all these? No, we can skip even, no problem. But problem is that this part utilize the next part, then you're bound to expand. If this part is not available, not to use the next part, then no need. So let's start. 1 negative 3 over 2x. I mean, 1 comes here, second term comes on the second bracket. 1 negative 3 over 2x. 1 negative 3 over 2x. Here 1, here negative 3 over 2x. Okay. 6 and 0 subtract and copy here. I mean 6 minus 0 is like that. And 0 goes directly here. 6 and 1 subtract and copy here. 6 minus 1 and 1 copy here. 6 and 2 subtract and copy here. 6 minus 2 and this 2 copy here. Similarly, 6 minus 3 here and 3 here. Because, let me check. I think so maybe in the next part, it is utilized. This part, use next part. So better to simplify all. Here, 6 is 0 is 1, something to power is 1. And 1 to any power, 1 to power 2, 1 to power 100 is 1. 6C1, you type in calculator, it gives you 6. And 1 to power 5 is 1. And negative 3 by 2 times 2x. And 6 2 is 2 is 15. Let me recheck. 62 is 15. And the power of this one, look, I show again. The power of minus 3 is giving 9. And power of 2 is giving you 4 and x to power 2. This part is clear. And let's talk about 63. And 63 is giving you 20. And 1 to any power is 1. And negative 3 power 3 is giving you naturally negative 27. And 2 to the power 3 is giving you 8 and x to power 3. So I think so point is very clear. And this 2 to this, so I got a negative 9. And here is coming here 15 times to 9. And it's 135 over 4. X to power 2. Another part 20 times to 27 and divide by 8. It's giving again 135 but by 2 x to power cube, and that's it. And he was asking what? Check again. He said terms x square x cube. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. So we are looking for this, and this our answer finally. So you write separately or leave it here, no problem at all. Let's go for part number 2. Part number 2 is saying what? Let me write first of all k plus 2x, k plus 2x times 2 1 over 3 by 2 x to power 6. Hold on before I read a statement. Is this match? Yes, totally match. Its answer is this. So remove the whole thing and copy its value here. So let's start. K plus 2x done. This whole thing will come in the place of it. And 1 minus 9x plus 135 over 4 x to power 2 and minus 135 over 2 x cube and dot 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 so on so forth. Now what a question he's asking. He's saying there is no x cube coefficient. I repeat, given that there is no term in x cube, no term in x cube, and find the value of constant k. Repeat again, no term in x cube. Hold on, I give you a small example. Look at here, x to power, for example, 4 plus 2x to power 2 plus 5x and minus 10. My question from you, here no x, like x to power 0, x to power 1, x to power 2, x to power 4. So my question, where is x cube? You say that there's no x cube term. So if there's no x cube term, can I say 0 x cube? Yes, perfectly right. It means, I repeat my words. Look, I copied all 3 terms same. I copied same, but in the place of this one, in the middle of them, 4 and 2, I copied 0 x cube. In the same sense, he said no term in x cube. It means whenever you find no term in x cube, it means the coefficient of x cube 100% 0. 100% 0, because 0 into x cube is 0. So whenever in future you will find no term of x cube, so 0x cube. Or we say no term of x power 4, so 0x4. So let's start. So first of all, I'm writing here no term of x cube. No term of x cube. So it is very clear sense. It means the coefficient of x cube is 0. So first of all, do one thing. Multiply, 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 and multiply. Okay, so you can do multiply whole thing, and then multiply, 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 and multiply. And then I will choose only those terms in which x cube comes. Then why I waste my time? Simple, right here, terms involving x to power 3. And now this constant multiply with this term, I will get x cube. So I'm multiplying this term with this term. And I'm writing here, k times the whole thing, I'm getting k times 2 negative 135 over 2 x cube. Okay, done. This multiply with what value give you x cube? So naturally x times 2x square. So x times 2x square will give you x cube. So I'm writing it here, plus 2x into that, and I'm writing here, plus 2x times 2, 134 over 4, x to power 2. Let's simplify, please. This is coming negative 135 over 2 times 2k x cube. What about this? This 2 ones are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So I'm writing here plus 135 over 2 and x square into x. In x square into x will give you x cube. I'm writing now as no term of x cube. It means that the coefficient of x cube equals to 0. Is a confirm. So it means coefficient of x cube, what we have. This is called coefficient of x cube, and this is called coefficient of x cube. And I will take them equal to 0. So let's start. This thing plus 135 over 2 equal to 0. I repeat my words again. He said no term of x cube. It means no term x cube means the coefficient of x cube equal to 0. Then what I will do, I will take coefficient of x cube and plug in equal to 0. Let's try to solve it. It will go on the other end, negative 135 over 2 equal to negative 135 over 2. Wait a minute. Is any mistake there? No, okay. And now I can, and k is missing here, sorry. And this whole thing will go down, or I can say this way, negative 135. These two dividing up, multiplying, and this multiplying will divide. And this k cancel out. I got a k value is 1. So I hope so. The point is very, very